So this is a quick video on the Arcade1up, the Mortal Kombat Countercade. As y'all can see, this is how it comes inside the box. And the box looks like, it's very cool, y'all. It's honestly, it has Mortal Kombat 2, Mortal Kombat 3, and Mortal Kombat, well, Ultimate Mortal Kombat, which is like Mortal Kombat 3 with more characters or so. But yeah, kind of giving y'all like a quick look at the artwork. Pretty cool. Kind of like the way it looks. Looks awesome, man. So yeah, I'm going to take it out the box now and turn it on so I can show y'all how it looks and how it boots up. So let's cut to that. So I got it out of the box now. Y'all can kind of see my reflection. But this is how the controller board looks. Arcade buttons. As you can see, you got your high punch, your low punch, your high kick, low kick, and the block in the middle. Run at the bottom. Yeah, but I like how the controller deck look on the Arcade1ups, in my opinion. On this one, my first impression is, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's kind of small for like 2 players, as in if 2 people were standing side by side, y'all have to be like super close to play 2 players. But I mean, it's still a good option though. I mean, it's still playable. I'm just kind of giving y'all a con about that part. And also, it comes with a side part right here, so you can just hook another controller if you wanted to the side port if y'all didn't want to stand so close to each other, or if both y'all want to play on the keyboard. Of course, both y'all gonna have to be super close. But let's cut to that and let me actually turn it on. So I'm turning on the Arcade1up. Sometimes it takes a little time to load up when it turns on. There you go. Give it a little bit more time. There we go. And now we at the main screen. And the volume button is kind of loud. It goes to 15. And the speaker is at the bottom. So it might sound a little muffled right now because I'm doing this review on my bed, so you can't really hear it. But on the stand, you can hear like the noise very loud. Trust me, y'all. So you got your button configuration. Let me go ahead and add out of that. But yeah, you got Mortal Kombat, well, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3, Mortal Kombat 2, and Mortal Kombat 3, the regular one. But yeah, I feel like that's a good lineup of games. I think in the future I might mod this to add more stuff to it. But that's definitely a good lineup of games for this arcade one. Of course, it's a Mortal Kombat arcade, so that's what you kind of expect. 3 games. If you want to enter the game, of course, just press the start button, start again. You can also change the buttons on how you like it, and kind of like you could change each one, but it's best to leave it like how it is, in my opinion. But you can change the buttons if you happen to want to. You can change the difficulty too on each game, which is a nice feature. But yeah, as y'all can see though, it works good. It's snappy. Show y'all. See, it's not really that much of a delay. I want to say it's just all the way there, but it's playable. Scorpion. Sorry, I'm just for the top buttons and see how they work out. Because of course I'm recording with one phone. Yeah, I'm not gonna win that. Oh, I got the uppercut. Let's try another one. Come on, one more. I just need one more uppercut. Ah, he got me. But yeah, man, that's how the Arcade1up operates. This was like just a quick overview about the Mortal Kombat Countercade arcade. Just kind of showing y'all how it works and how it looks. And I feel like this is definitely a must buy for anybody who's in an apartment and doesn't have the space for it, or have the space to, to hook up like a full arcade. So I would definitely get this, y'all. Go get it.